guys, welcome back to my channel. Now I don't know about you, but this winter has been dragging on for me, and all I want to do is get up out the house and go travel. So if cabin fever has been setting in for you like it has me, then you probably have already started planning for your trips for this year. In which case, I wanted to give you a list of travel items that you may find helpful for your next trip. Now, all of these items are from Amazon, and you can find links in the description box below if you want to check any of them out. This list is in no particular order, so for our first item, I have a clear liquids bag. And this is a reusable liquids bag that I've had for about 4 years and have had no issues going through TSA domestically or internationally with. I do want to mention, because a lot of you just use the disposable Ziploc bags for your clear liquids, some countries are moving towards rules and laws against single-use plastics and will confiscate your Ziploc bag at the airport. So to prevent your liquids from being taken from you, I recommend investing in a reusable clear liquids bag. This is the one I use, and I find that it holds all of the liquids that I need for my trip. My sister uses a slightly different clear liquids bag, and I'll put it on the screen here. Hers come in a set of 2, and they're slightly thinner than the thicker bag that I use. What she does is fill them both with her liquids, but puts one in her carry-on and one in her personal item. So either bag option will be listed below, but I definitely recommend investing in a reusable clear liquids bag for your travel. Now the next item is a luggage scale. I used to do the old-fashioned method of weighing myself on a scale, then getting back on with my suitcase, weighing myself again to figure out how much my suitcase weighed, just so I didn't go over the weight limit if I was checking a bag, or some airlines have a weight limit for your carry-on bags as well. Now that was only helpful when you're at home and have a scale. You may not have a scale readily available when you're at your destination trying to return home. So packing this luggage scale, you can easily fit it in your personal item or carry-on, can come in really handy in case you're buying a lot of souvenirs or items at your destination. You wanna make sure that you're not going over your weight limit before you get to the airport. So having this scale can help you stay under that weight limit and not incur any additional fees for your luggage being overweight. The next travel item that I recommend is an empty water bottle. To avoid paying those high prices of food and beverage at the airport, bring an empty water bottle, and then once you get through security, you can find a water fountain and fill it up. This particular water bottle holds 18 ounces. It is the perfect size to fit in the side pocket of my backpack. The seal works great. I've never found that it leaked during a flight. And it also has this loop in which you can slide your finger through it to hold, or attach with a carabiner or other hook to your suitcase or backpack for other carrying styles. So this water bottle is a great option for travel. Another travel item that I find super handy is a waterproof cell phone pouch. Now this particular one is large enough to hold my iPhone 13. If you're doing any water activities, going to the beach, kayaking, hiking through waterfalls, spelunking through caves, you need to protect your phone because you've probably taken lots of photos and video that you don't want to lose by soaking your phone in water. So protecting it in a waterproof pouch will definitely be helpful. This next item I've made an entire video on, but it's worth mentioning again, and that is packing cubes. Now, if you haven't seen my Packing with Packing Cubes video already, I'll link that in the description below so you can go check that out. But packing cubes are great to keep yourself organized. Sometimes they can save space. But they just really handy for that extra organization. So packing cubes are a must when you travel. Along the same lines as packing cubes are shoe bags. I don't know about you, but I hate the thought of packing my shoes next to other items in my suitcase because you are walking in mud, dirt, and other disgusting things I don't even want to mention. So protecting your shoe in a shoe bag will help contain all of that dirt and debris and not have it transfer on your other items. So shoe bags are definite recommend when you travel. If you are traveling internationally, then it is a must that you need a travel adapter. So this particular travel adapter is compact and can allow you to switch easily to different countries and even has a USB port on the side. So you can, in addition to plugging into the outlet side, there is an additional port for a USB adapter. So getting this compact travel adapter will allow you to travel from country to country and not miss a beat with the different outlets that different countries use. If you value your sleep, then I strongly recommend getting a sleep mask for your travels. It comes in handy on the airplane and in your hotel or Airbnb. You just never know what bright light is going to seep in, and traveling already messes with your sleep schedule. So a sleep mask will just help darken everything and allow you to get the restful night's sleep that you need while traveling. Along the same lines as a sleep mask, and I've mentioned this before in a video as well, is this noise machine / Bluetooth speaker. This travel size little machine always comes with me on any trip, even right next to me in my own home. It is great when you have noisy neighbors or loud sirens outside to have some white noise in the background to help mask some of that noise. Also, you can hook this up to your cell phone, tablet, or laptop via Bluetooth to play some music for a dance party, or even to project some sound when watching a movie. So many different uses. It's compact, and I just think it is a great travel item. Now, when you're using your Bluetooth speaker to watch a movie, then you will need a cell phone or tablet stand, which you may already have, but do you have an adjustable, foldable, compact stand? I just got this for Christmas and it is awesome. It folds up so I can easily pack it away, but easily folds out to hold my cell phone or tablet. I have tested my iPad on this and it holds it without any issue or toppling over. So it can hold any device. Well, it probably has some like weight limitations on it, but for my usages, it holds my cell phone or my iPad with no issues. And because you can easily fold it up, it makes it a great travel option. As international travel is ramping back up, I recommend getting a passport holder if you don't already have one. This one is a great option to hold some credit cards, plane tickets, or other documents in this flap, as well as your passport and other storage. But having a passport holder keeps a lot of your documents and everything in one place to protect it. Now, to match my passport holder, I have in the same color a luggage tag. Now, this seems like an obvious travel item, but I am so surprised on how many people don't use luggage tags. I put a luggage tag on any bag that I'm bringing with me to the airport. My carry-on, my personal item, any bag that I am checking, even though they're putting a tag on it, those can easily or not so easily get ripped off or the information smudged. So having a luggage tag ensures that you have additional contact information in case your bag gets lost, it can be returned to you. There have been a handful of times when I'm carrying on a bag that all the overhead space has filled, so I have to gate check my bag. Even though they put a tag on it, again, having luggage tag is just that much more security in knowing that my bag will be returned to me because I have my contact information. So luggage tags are definitely a necessity for travel. And last but not least is a travel pillow. This is an inflatable travel pillow. I have used this pillow a handful of long haul flights, and it comes in really handy, especially for when you're in the middle or an aisle seat and your seat does not come with the bendable headrest. To get a little snooze on the airplane, having a travel pillow, and especially one that's inflatable, can come in really handy. The compactness of the inflatable ones make them great just to pack away, but you can also attach them to your personal item or carry-on for storage that way as well. But an inflatable pillow is another handy travel item. So those are some different travel items that you can use for your next trip. Comment down below if you use a luggage tag. I am so curious to see if my theory is correct that no one uses luggage tags anymore, or am I just completely living in a dream world and everyone has a luggage tag? So let me know in the comment section down below, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao for now.